Hello everyone! This will be our fourth video on how to integrate for asset management analysts multi-agent systems with AI to make their job easier.
Hi. Today, I want us to take a deeper dive into the operational side of our system. How can we improve the monitoring of our facilities and manage maintenance more effectively? This is crucial to ensure that our operations are efficient and that we can stay ahead of potential problems before they become costly failures. In addition, efficient maintenance management not only reduces costs, but also optimizes the use of resources and improves the overall productivity of the company.
Now we are going to address just that: operational monitoring and maintenance management. The idea is to have a constant supervision of your installations and, in parallel, to optimize the management of repairs and maintenance, minimizing time and costs. We want to make sure that every component of the system works optimally and that any incident is dealt with immediately. The integration of new technologies in this process will allow us to make faster and more efficient decisions based on real-time data.
Sounds interesting. In the traditional model, we often rely on manual reporting and periodic reviews, which sometimes delays problem detection. Also, response times are often long, which can lead to higher costs and delays in production. How does that change with your multi-agent system?
Exactly. With the multi-agent system, we have the Project and Operations Monitoring Agent, which monitors in real time the performance and evolution of your facilities. This agent is configured to detect any anomalies in production or project progress, sending alerts automatically as soon as a problem is identified. This system allows us to have a much more precise control and avoid human errors in data collection and analysis. With this technology, the company can optimize its operations and ensure that decisions are based on up-to-date and accurate information. It also allows us to anticipate recurring failure patterns and correct them before they have a significant impact on operations.
Then, instead of waiting for weekly or monthly reports to be generated, the system alerts us immediately when there is a failure or deviation. This could represent a great advantage in decision-making and response to operational problems. What mechanisms do you use to identify these anomalies?
Correct. To do this, the agent uses two key subcomponents. On the one hand, we have the Anomaly Detection Subagent. This module uses machine learning algorithms that analyze operational data in real time and compare current behavior with the historical baseline. If a significant variation is detected, such as an unexpected drop in production, the system generates an alert. On the other hand, there is the Indicator Tracking Subagent, which is responsible for monitoring specific KPIs, such as downtime, production efficiency, and other critical indicators for the operation. This allows us to have a detailed and dynamic view of how our assets are performing at any given moment. It also allows us to detect trends in performance and make adjustments before problems become crises. In addition, we are able to generate detailed reports that facilitate medium and long-term strategic decision-making.
That would give us a very clear and up-to-date picture of what is happening on each floor or building. But what about maintenance? We know that, sometimes, repair times and associated costs can have a big impact on operations, causing delays in production and affecting profitability. How can the system help us improve in this aspect?
Exactly. For maintenance management, we have the Maintenance Analytics Subagent. This subagent takes historical data on repairs and breakdowns to automatically calculate the average time and cost spent on troubleshooting in the past. With this information, the system can predict and optimize the response to similar problems in the future. In addition, this subagent can evaluate the efficiency of previously implemented solutions and suggest changes in maintenance strategies. For example, if a piece of equipment requires frequent repairs, it may be more cost-effective to replace it rather than continue repairing it. This strategic analysis capability optimizes resource management and improves operability. It also makes it possible to schedule preventive maintenance based on predictive data, thereby reducing unplanned incidents and improving operational continuity.
That seems very useful. With that predictive capability, we could better plan maintenance and reduce unexpected downtime, which is always a big savings in terms of production and costs. In addition, efficient maintenance planning not only improves productivity, but also increases equipment life and minimizes the risks of critical failures.
Exactly. The advantage of this approach is that we not only react to problems, but we can anticipate them. By continuously analyzing historical and real-time data, the system can recommend adjustments to maintenance plans, resulting in greater operational efficiency and reduced repair costs. It also allows us to improve resource allocation, ensuring that each repair is performed at the right time and without wasting time and materials.
I imagine that, with this level of detail, we can even spot trends that we would have missed in the past. Can you give me an example of how this would work in practice?
Of course. Suppose we detect that a certain machine in a plant has had an increase in failures in recent months. Instead of waiting for the problem to escalate, the system issues an alert and suggests a thorough overhaul of the equipment. In this way, we avoid a possible total collapse and reduce the impact on the operation. Another case could be the detection of wear patterns in certain critical components. If the system observes that a specific type of valve has recurrent failures in several plants, it can suggest an adjustment in the operating parameters or recommend a change of supplier to improve the quality of the component.
Undoubtedly, this innovative approach positions us to better meet operational challenges and significantly improve our results. Having real-time information and predictive analytics gives us a strategic advantage in an increasingly competitive industrial environment.
We make sure that technology works in our favor, optimizing resources and reducing risks.
I am realizing that technology is a tool that we have to live with more and more, but not only that, but those tools have to be used in an intelligent way for your day-to-day life. How can I move forward with these issues?
That is the philosophy, to use resources efficiently. You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacarrata via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can help to improve facility management.